Mamu nyina achen yemo akwa abada oba Adom TV no sian kase so anopen samosie na brason sauti bi sa Adom kase ne etodwa wo mu bi ya wo betie nie Osofo Ajenasare de ato Electoral Commission penifo anim 2024 won hwe na won bibia wo ye bia wo abato mu na mu beda ho finchim ya wo bia nyamena sepo bia ye de sansam no ebeba yebekwa ha for Regional Security Council no so de nhye na ato bomafo so se enra anwumre no numu no ena anopai no nso eno mo besore de entia eno ne nsem bi na anopai mede bro sa Adom TV Badwam kase wo Facebook /Adom TV kase no dem wo ho Go TV na won so a channel 176 and a DSTV 280 media fia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de kwa sutie se den nsam ni chiremo ankasa etie so for penny ya wada Paris Chapel International no Bishop Charles Ajenasare ede samahodo atodwa ewo 2024 abato okese do my Ghana anim na sama odi todwa nyina ne se commission ehwe won ye abato ehon nsam so no wo hwe na abato na hyase na wieye bibia mu beda ho fan sebe yo bia nyamena sepo Adom TV kase etwaso.
Without peace and tranquility, countries struggle to develop and citizens become despondent. Political parties play major roles in maintaining peace or otherwise of countries, including Ghana. As we move into major campaign activities towards the 2024 elections, all parties must endeavor to maintain the peace of the country. No matter the circumstances we find ourselves, we can elect our leaders through the ballot and not the bullet. The NDC, as the party that ushered the Fourth Republic dispensation, also has a duty to ensure your conduct protects this democracy. The Electoral Commission should do all in their power to diffuse the tension using the IPAC. It's only they who can do that. The IPAC in the past has been a good forum that has helped. It shouldn't be destroyed. The EC should work to bring its stakeholders together for the peace and good of the nation and not divide them. The dealings of the EC should be so transparent that winners will be acknowledged by all and losers will be seen by all to have lost. Political parties must steer more towards research-based decisions and choices if they want to carry the people along. Let's be mindful that decisions based on narrow group interest often causes gross disaffection and internal apathy. As we get closer to the next elections, we don't need fanciful, unrealistic, and ill-researched promises just aimed at winning power.
Adom kase na ogiso no yedemo kwa hafo mantam ne mo na for Regional Minister George Boache ene mpanifo e kan Regional Security Council no ho akwa asetena amene Interior Minister and National Security Minister wo mu nyina so ka ho bia yede nhye na eyeka FUB ato adehia wo mo boma Wotano North mensinimo animanimi ya me kase na no na hyase enura anumre no num ade besi ene anopa no nso ni nyina ye hinsemu manso twene ntokwa bia ma ne musuntia Adom kase etwaso.
Sa curfew year ahafo mantamu soafo ene ahafo Regional Security Council no aka wo ho abomu a wode ato omanfo a wote boma so no wo hwe ne mu kwan se efri anwumre no num ekosi anopa no nso no ene wode bedi dwuma esane se ahemfo nsemu ntawantawa ekoso ama enam so ma basabasa yo asie ama enipa num epreprenti ena ahafo Rexec ede curfew ato omanfo a wote boma so so omanfo beka yi a ebeye ebre kakra ntemu nie no ahemfo nsemu ntawantawa ekoso ewo enipa mienu ntem ewo ekrumu honomo George Boache eye ahafo mantamu so afo wone mambo adwumayefo a wonom ewo mantamu honomo a ene squatin a woye Tano South Mensini Krachi ene ya osebo ahena woye esunafo North Mensini Krachi akọ ensrahwe ewo krum honomo akọhwe senia tebia no esitie wonom ensrahwe ni mu no woko ebusua wondehie efiri mu no efie koma wonom ya akọ mu ene wo hye bambo adwumayefo nyina se ne nam so ema asabasa ye no esiye no wonye hwehwemu ensiase na wo ma tentrene enya adwuma we ye chire na ebusuakuo mienu a saa ahemfo ntawantawei ekoso wonom ntamu no wane wonom kotena ase edi ano baba yiye esere wonom se wo madwebre emra kro ni mu saa enkratai Frimpong Andrews a we personal assistant emma ahafomantamu swafo na nensa ehyasie
My Ghana nsa de yensa yema ye pacho so wona aboye mbosia no nkebe ye agya wom gugu niema mu sebe ye ne tua no ebetumi akro yie nanso nei owura bi e basikasem mu ntutu ya wabene pa ye Michael anan wode atodwa se de ye mo yaboso mu yie fi se taxes ne de afekwa ne ye de bi ba bekeka ho emu nkyere mu ne Adom TV kase edi nkomo yi
ye creditors no be certain institutions any governments of other nations and we have the Euro bonds no so no young crown entrepreneurs any business people in the investment market omodi omusika be share your mind anti we debt exchange program no now we share my so our ball loans concessionary loans in so no we share also say we say ebinum betumi de bi acheye ana na looking at the global outlook no I think say we are trying to make a case say COVID and Ukraine intino my share na omonsoya sinkakra na I mean if it goes well good for us. But these countries are almost no, they are going to go into some recession as it has been predicted in terms of the global economy. No, we might get some results, but I don't think say a result to the level maybe a bema atoyen pa. We will still need to send Kano burden share most of near government, the Juma government I did so far. Say ya hoka, which means the IMF and now Bia also assume would want say also be nyama ye in the sense ubeji tour in NAFA, and so we should expect more taxes. I even believe say by the first quarter, ending first quarter, most of the tax handles will fail, and government will go back and bring.
My to akasia no so na yenko yensan foforo mo na busua ya wondodo ye num afra se ya de beto mo animo se woda nkokobuo mo wo breman sikuma no ene nyame ya Adom TV so enti no se wo manya apartment papa bi edemu na ni nyina agina se wo mo mantafo no baako ewo ohwaw anaso yare nti sika ni nyina ekokodi mu nunti no mu bu wo manie no na yese wo mafuo mu nkokọ dan wi a wo mabọ aja wo do no mu bra mu je wo mahome ne ho na sese no wabọ nso se na nyame Adom nti wonya ba bia da Adom TV etoso
Mekacha Adom TV fo na se ye do mo ase papa pa nyame hira wonye omo a ka ye ni ba bi te ka ye ni jina bia mpo ti ye do mo ase pa nyame hira
ebraka kreni na dia ma no bobi efri bremensi kuma badum kwanso eba ya na ekire se owura bi ayefen Muhammad Nuhu ene ne yire ne mantafo ene nkwada ba esi numu eka ho esan sentafo nu ba ko eyareye na wo hu sike nyina asantino ama wo fi wura tuon ankukubu bi a wobobo ewafum ene sisi wodem a wo hwe kwan so benyi sika na wode akokolebu akoyese agiri ama akwada no ebra sem no ebeto Adom TV so no nimpa ahodo pi ena aba abusuan insra bema bebo mu a kolebufo ahye to 26 January ena obehwe na waye surgery no ede ama akwada no esikuma odobimbra kwadeso assembly a owura Lawrence edutua esia eda no efa social welfare soye no so ebebo abusuan sanso ena generosity family a wonso so ewa America brichmemu no efa esikuma odobimbra kwa MP Alhaji Gansa so ema obeye abusuan mu a Adom TV ahwefo a ehu abusuan ewo bedwemu so no so no ekeka won sase a dodo na san ni sika afa mobile money so ama abusuan a sezam no kasei wenye sika ede bia kwa han dan a won na nkokobu mu ewo afom ho bio woni enye o TV twetwepo a bia wode hwa
Adom kase yadam wase papa yeguso ya de sansam ni bi se mbremo na braman ayepe ana yipe abamu abi nso a na wo senior high school sanse bibi bebo ne kon ho ne ade nti yegya no oba fie na oba bagye ayarehwe no eno nso mu asem aye ni gye efise momua a ye ba ye besresre mo afreda mo ebetena so ma ye sresre ya no wanya sika na broso amene yetimi aye ne surgery na eno nso mu nsam Adom TV kase edeba
tama eba ino na mi ye na ne wo school ti wo school mo na wa say o de ne pen mo bi na ni pa na am say oto be bai na o say ekobo no kun ti ekobo no kun na mi hu de we bi abehye no hodi
onu ne kan sa okay
the boy ma jumbi bam tim de mi ze drama no mi na bush bi kwa me fam tim pam
adentina ya odwen sa
because of mission be more than I'm here, so I'm coming to them. Then consume them net. Say, Eba, mean to me home, me to buy me to me home, me to me every. To some the honor me provide namina, painkiller benaminum, another sleeping tablet benaminum, answer. Me to my with mother.
Bernard Nkansa esinkete so obeko school nanso otu ana amompe na yade abonasan Bernard Nkansa enye mfihie dunkron ofiri brema ipe eno no wo esikumo dobembra commence mu e wo finfini mantem mu Bernard enya akonya ekọ free senior high school ni bi e wo Soedro secondary school mechire so school na ni so ade hunu nyina ne se daachi obey military nurse na wotumi aboa foforo e wo apomuden kwanso osusu ni yi nenso yade bi aka no kon abrofo kasa mu yesi neck tumor sesi aka na atufie ekwa afini wonko school da wo kire se ne ni so ade hunu so opeso ye military nurse no yakode baby basa
tie the update no ebebremo wo yen kase ahodo emu yeto so de mo akonsam foforo mu mranso bedwane de ma de hye wo esujaman Thomas Ampem nyako ene wo so wataban no echi say university Shiapon ahodo mpanimfo no the parliament agye atomo said no ene won fanye ntumu ma 2022-2023 academic year no won hwe na on fanye adwuma.
It's a refreshing say I to say aban ashe university mpanimfo say won a wo charge fees a ebro near ye approve no so no won fa sika na ebro so no ma mofra no here pa say wo hwe ahokyere aba manga na mu a say ye hwe nkakra and as I say wo hwe afani nyina ability to pay and so yeah very very important nti won tie na sopem na one charge only the approved fees
one more wenya emrase bedwani emmoa ne so mfaso bi ene amane boni etwetwe nkomo
na aba no most students to be honest yentimi ntua school fees no because to recall on last year's fees I'm always drunk of baby because of school fees no mo ntimi ntua no and as you see school fees na baby na yetua no also senior yetua as admission fee. So how can our parents afford those that fees?
Many aje na pass empina ma kwenya bibisa amai anye ize sa abrabone de nyankopon adaroma se onye obi son asia eboa
mo obwan ne de mitime hu ni se we akwenya kese pan e de man na ye dana si bebre mi say de anka mi nziri se mitime akọ school di se oh no baka my so na Catholic Bishop wo Kofodua Dawson ye Most Reverend Joseph Afrifa Jekum na ode to apomde adwuma efo ni nyina anim wadwuma no de ya no won mo ye no won nsamfa bia mu nhyem na wonyi won yam enhwe esa apomden pa betimi akoso wo musa ho kire wo mu de nanso de won benya na kakra bia no won hwe sa apomden pa de wode be ma wade hye ba wona so ebeje ansra Adom kase etwaso
to the medical director, the hospital administrator, and all the medical team, the staff, and all, I say thank you and keep up the good working spirit. And this should not be our last stop. As it has already been mentioned to us, going higher, getting to this status means also a lot of responsibilities and commitment, especially when it comes to patient care. This, for me, is a real Christmas good news for St. Dominic Hospital.
Administrator wa St. Dominic's Catholic Hospital ano Reverend Father Dr. Kenneth Adom ekasafa secondary status asese ayaresabia no enya ne ho ya wo kire niam bia asese yi a wonom enyen sa dibre no e wo sa adwumayefuo nyina eye na eboa ema wonom adwuma ene ayaresabia no etimi konkan
sese ano sa credentialing ne e kire ne St. Dominic Hospital equal to Eastern Regional Hospital. Services bia esombo ayarehwemu oba St. Dominica on Sabeka enam we say so ebeme yenya amoma a doctor for makwadare ayarehwe nwumadie mu bibia yare fair no efi primary facility St. Dominic Hospital na oba ye dadampo eyade aye dada na NHIS na omo fa credential no MI ba ene de omo aba ha ambaye omo survey who say amo ya de nimpo dada enti na amo de sa boss body emai omo so omo fa emai empo na yeye enti ade ayeye ye be hyemu kena ni aye no dodo no pa